video is based on my internet research. It may not be 100% accurate.
Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. It's me Universe Collector. In today's video we will talk about a beautiful fitness model. People are often amazed to see the video of this fitness model. What do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the comments. And if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new videos like this. And now we come to the video. Who is Narmin Azria? From Murrieta, California, Narmin Azria is an extremely accomplished IFBB pro athlete. She began training in the gym at 21 in 2010, winning her first bikini competition and the pro card just 1 year later. By 2016, the American had entered a staging 34 bikini competitions, placing in the top 3 in a total of 17. Her most significant victories in the professional circuit were at the IFBB Loa Pro, IFBB Southern California Pro Bikini, and the Swedish Fitness Gala. She also placed among the top 6 physiques in the world at the 2015 Bikini Olympia. However, Narmin's road towards success was not always easy. She had to balance 8-hour night shifts at work and her personal life with strict dieting, exciting workouts, and constant preparation for fitness shows. Biography. Narmin Azria was born on 21 of September 1988. Her whole life, Narmin had a passion for sports and fitness. She took dance classes, did gymnastics, played basketball, and ran track and field in her youth. But she had a problem in her youth. Narmin received negative comments on her skinny looks growing up. Narmin said, "I was always told to eat as I was skinny. I hated hearing I was skinny and that I needed to eat, especially when I probably ate more than that person." These negative comments motivated her to start training in the gym, to put on some weight. When she first stepped into the gym, fitness addiction. Narmin's body responded extremely well to her weight training routine, so well that she saw changes in her physique after only 2 weeks of being in the gym. At that point, fitness became an obsession. She said, "It was my new best friend. I became addicted to lifting and being in the gym." Narmin then decided to accompany her training in the gym with a healthy diet and improve her progress even further. With enough time and dedication, she was able to completely change the way she looked. She went from skinny to fit and strong. Narmin Azria thoughts. She says, "You are loved, you are wonderfully made, you are beautiful, you have purpose, you are a masterpiece. God has a great plan for you. Accept no one's definition of your life, define yourself." Narmin says, "My only competition is the one in the mirror, and there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Don't expect everyone to understand your journey, especially if they never had to walk your path. We all have a path we walk, and it will shape and mold us into the person we are today." She said, "Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. Dream it, believe it, and achieve it." She says, "In order for things to change, you must take a chance. Taking that leap of faith can either change your entire life. It can make you think differently. Believe in the process. Never give up on yourself. Become unstoppable." Introduction to bikini shows. Less than 1 year later, Narmin was approached by a trainer in her local gym. Impressed by her quick transformation, the trainer suggested she should start competing. After giving it some thought, Narmin decided she would try the competition lifestyle to see where it would lead her. Her first competition came only 1 year after she stepped in the gym for the first time. She said it was an achievement on its own, but Narmin went a step further and took home second place at her first ever bikini show, the 2010 NPC California State Bodybuilding Competition, entering the Pro League. As she was preparing for her competition without a coach, Narmin was content with her quick result. In her second show, the 2010 USA Championships, she came in 4th place. After the show, she hired a coach, Kim Odell, to guide her on the path towards winning the pro card. First, she won the A class at the 2011 NPC West Coast Classic Bodybuilding competition. After that, she took part at the USA Nationals, once again taking first place. This is where she won her pro card. Having had only 1 year of training under her belt, Narmin astonished everyone when she was proclaimed the winner of the biggest amateur show in USA. However, this was just the beginning of her glittering career as a beginning competitor. Life in the professional circuit. Narmi's pro debut came in the summer of 2011 at the IFBB Titans Grand Prix Pro Bikini. She came in 5th place. For the next 2 years, she participated in an incredible 14 shows. During that period, she won the 2011 IFBB Pacific USA Pro Bikini, 2013 IFBB Southern California Pro Bikini, and the 2013 IFBB Loa Pro, and she placed among top 3 on 7 associations. She also competed at the Bikini Olympia in 2012 and 2013, placing 16 both times. In 2014, she improved her physiques and managed to get a better placing at the Olympia 12. Her only victory that year was at the Loa Pro, where she got the second consecutive title. She repeated this success once again in 2015, winning her third IFBB Loa Pro trophy in a row. Accomplished competitor. By 2016, Narmin already became an icon of women's bodybuilding. One of her best moments of the 2015 and 16 is when she won the Swedish Fitness Gala and being placed among top 6 physiques at the biggest stage in the world, the Miss Bikini Olympia 2015. Since the beginning of her journey into competitive bodybuilding in 2010, Narmin has taken part in an astonishing 34 competitions. It's clear that competing often required a tremendous amount of discipline and commitment. Narmin said she had trouble getting enough sleep sometimes as she had to balance her fitness competition lifestyle with her everyday obligations. However, that did not stop her from becoming one of the best bikini athletes in the world. Training. Narmin does cardio exclusively on the Stairmaster machine, as she claims that it's only not good for burning fat but also great for the legs and glutes. She likes to keep her cardio sessions challenging. Back exercises. Walking lunges is Narmin's all-time favorite exercise. She loves this exercise because it focuses on her glutes and legs. Hack squat is another of her favorite because it focuses on her hamstrings. She says it can be a challenging exercise for beginners, but it's extremely beneficial once it's done with a proper form. Her third favorite exercise is the Arnold press, which targets the middle deltoids. Narmin says she's gained a lot of strength and power in her upper body thanks to this exercise. Advice for the beginners. Narmin advocates lifting heavy, even for ladies. She says that women should not be afraid to lift heavier weights and that it's the only way to get a strong and toned body. She added, I always say a woman's best accessories are muscle and I wear mine with pride. Hire a professional coach to guide you the right way like mine Kimodo. He's well known and is one of the best trainer in the industry. Nutrition. Narmin's dieting habits are similar to other top athletes. She consumes a lot of lean protein, eggs, chicken, steak and turkey to keep her muscle mass. She also fuels her body with quality carbs such as oats, yams and brown rice. Narmin places great importance on her vegetable intake. She eats clear most of the year but also allows herself a cheat meal if she feels her body craves it. According to Narmin, the key to achieving a lean physique as well as a healthy mind is having balance. Idols and influences. Narmin said her mother is her greatest inspiration. She has been with Narmin throughout her whole fitness journey. When she first started competing, Narmin began idolizing Amanda Latona. According to Narmin, Amanda is a beautiful person both on the inside and outside. She learned a lot about discipline and staying consistent in the sports from Amanda. The two are now good friends and fellow competitors. And now, what we can learn from Narmin Azria? Narmin has achieved incredible success in a short space of time. Since she started training at 21, She's become one of the world's greatest beginning athletes and fitness models throughout 2010-2016. However, she had to sacrifice all of her free time to achieve this kind of success. Beside a full-time job and a commitments to her friends and family, Amanda had to work hard on her diet, preparations for competitions, training, and her online presence. This kind of attitude and commitment is something not many people can emulate. That's why she was able to come out on top in the fitness industry and as a result becoming famous for her achievements. If anything, Narmin taught us the value of time. It can never be restored and it's something many of us take for granted. However, by using it wisely, you can achieve success in life, just like Narmin Azria. And thank you very much if you are watching our video till now, and if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new video like this. And what do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the comments. And now
That's the mindset and the spirit that you need to go achieve. I just know that you can, yeah, you just gotta be